Hi, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Maya, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Liam. I'm still learning, so please be patient with me today.
Don't worry, Liam. That's exactly why we're doing this video. Today, we're going to walk through one of the most stressful situations for any immigrant, the airport.
Honestly, Maya, airports scare me. Everyone talks so fast. There are so many signs, and when the immigration officer asks me questions, I freeze.
That's completely normal. Millions of people feel exactly like you. But here's the good news. Today, we'll practice 3 real airport situations: checking in and boarding your flight, talking to an immigration officer, and baggage claim and customs. We'll watch a short conversation, and then we'll break down the important words together, slowly and clearly. By the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Great! Let's start with checking in at the airport. Good morning! Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Perfect. Your bag is under the weight limit. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight has a short layover in Chicago, so please check the screens there for your connecting gate.
Layover? Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Boarding begins at gate 14, 1 hour before departure. Have a safe flight.
Layover, okay.
Great job listening to that, Liam. I could hear it in your voice. One word confused you. Which one?
Layover. I've never heard that word before.
Great question. A layover means a short stop between 2 flights. If you're flying from New York to Tokyo, but your plane stops in Los Angeles for 2 hours before continuing, that stop is called a layover.
A layover. A short stop between flights. Got it.
Exactly. Let's practice together. Repeat after me, slowly. I have a 2-hour layover in Chicago.
I have a 2-hour layover in Chicago.
Perfect. Next word, boarding pass. This is the ticket that lets you get on the airplane. You get it after checking in.
So, is that different from my passport?
Great question. Your passport proves who you are and what country you're from. Your boarding pass is just for this one flight. It shows your seat number and gate.
Oh, that makes so much more sense now.
2 more quick ones. Check-in is when you arrive at the counter and hand over your passport and ticket. Boarding is later, when you actually walk onto the plane.
So the order is check-in, then security, then boarding?
Exactly right, Liam. Quick recap. A layover is a stop between flights. Your boarding pass lets you board the plane. Check-in happens first. Boarding happens later at the gate. Now let's move to the part that makes everyone the most nervous. Talking to the immigration officer.
Okay, let's do this.
Good afternoon. Passport, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Here it is.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am moving here permanently. I have a work visa.
I see. And how long do you plan to stay?
I plan to stay long-term. My employer sponsored my visa.
Did you complete your declaration form?
The declaration form? Yes, here it is.
Are you bringing any food, plants, or large amounts of cash into the country?
No, sir. None of those things.
Everything looks good. Welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much.
Liam, how did that feel to listen to?
Honestly, my heart was beating fast just listening. That officer sounded so serious.
That's very normal. Immigration officers are trained to be direct, but that doesn't mean you should panic. Let's break down the key words. First, immigration officer. This is the government official who checks your passport and decides if you can enter the country.
And they always ask about the purpose of your visit, right?
Exactly. This means, why are you traveling here? Common answers. I'm here for work. I'm visiting family. I'm moving here permanently. Or I'm a tourist. Let's practice. Liam, imagine I'm the officer. What is the purpose of your visit?
I am moving here permanently. I have a work visa.
Very clear and confident. Short, direct, and calm. Exactly right. Now, the declaration form. This is a paper where you tell the government what you're bringing into the country. Food, plants, cash over a certain amount.
Why do they care about food and plants?
Good question. Some countries have strict rules to protect their farms and environment from foreign insects or diseases. Always answer honestly on this form. One more useful word, sponsor. Liam said his employer sponsored his visa, meaning the company officially supported and paid for his visa application.
My employer sponsored my visa.
Perfect pronunciation. Quick recap. An immigration officer checks your documents. They'll ask your purpose of visit. Answer clearly. You may need a declaration form. And if your job helped you get your visa, your employer sponsored you.
I think I could actually do that conversation now.
I believe you. Now let's finish strong. Baggage claim and customs.
There it is, finally.
Excuse me, sir. Can I see your declaration form, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
I see you wrote that you're not carrying any food. Would you mind if I take a quick look inside your bag?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Everything looks fine. Thank you for your cooperation. You're free to go.
Thank you very much.
Look at that, Liam. You made it all the way through the airport.
That felt so much better than the first time we practiced. What exactly is baggage claim?
Baggage claim is the area where you pick up your checked suitcases after landing. Remember the suitcase you checked in at the very beginning? This is where you get it back.
Ah, so it connects back to the very first scene.
Great connection. Next word, customs. This is the government department that checks what you're bringing into the country, making sure you're following the rules from your declaration form.
So customs is different from immigration.
Yes, immigration checks who you are, your passport and visa. Customs checks what you're carrying, your bags and belongings.
2 final phrases. If an officer asks to check your bag, you can say, "Not at all, go ahead." That shows cooperation. And if you're not carrying anything special, you can simply say, "I have nothing to declare."
I have nothing to declare.
Perfect. That one phrase alone will help you so much at customs.
Liam, look how far you've come in just 15 minutes.
I actually feel ready now. Check-in, immigration, baggage claim, customs. I know what to expect, and I know what to say.
And that's the goal for everyone listening too. Moving to a new country is scary enough. Your English shouldn't be the reason you feel afraid.
If I can learn this, you can too. Practice these phrases out loud, even by yourself. Your voice needs practice, not just your brain.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe and check out our next one, English for your first day at work. Leave a comment telling us which word was new for you today.
Thank you for practicing with us. You're doing better than you think. See you next time.
Bye, everyone, and safe travels.